you guys, I'm Randy Sue and I am here with my cute client Rin. She is about to witness the new Scalp Comfort products in her scalp today. Guys, so we're going to begin with the Scalp Comfort Serum. She's going to experience that relief, so that cooling, because this is a cooling sensation. Alright, the reality is you guys aren't going to be necessarily scoping your scalp and seeing your scalp 200 times magnified. That is what we do here though. I want to show you guys just kind of what this looks like deep into the scalp when we apply this product. She just has a little bit of buildup. Dry dead cell is going to actually dissolve the second we throw that serum in there. My goodness. Immediate results right there. Feel that minty cooling sensation, but clean this up. You're going to shampoo her with the Scalp Comfort treatment. I can't wait to show you guys this in action. Just apply this onto her dry hair. Look at those suds, you guys. That's amazing. Letting it sit for a good 5-10 minutes. She is saying that she feels immediate relief, immediate relaxing. She feels also that it's just that cooling sensation. We want to make sure that we are clearing that scalp microbiome with this amazing Scalp Comfort product. She is going to be set up for success with her scalp health, and that is our goal. Now we want to show you guys her results. That's what you want it to look like, that clean, scalpy environment. Looks so, so good. For someone who is more like, I need relief, I want to feel that cooling sensation, use this as often as you need to, along with paired with your Scalp Comfort Serum. From the very beginning, how did this feel?
It just felt like really good and kind of just like calming to my scalp. The soothing and like the coolness of it kind of just like running down my strands.
Oh, that's so good. Relief, you guys. Scalp Comfort is for the relief of your scalp. And so I'm so excited. I think this is the big missing link that we've had, you guys. Adding this into your regimen today is going to absolutely give you that result. Just like she was saying, I loved it on my scalp. And take this to your customers. They are going to be in love with the product. So thanks for watching this video, you guys, and thank you, MONAT, for coming out with the best new Scalp Comfort line.